Menteri Rangba Gajala Konrad ke Sangma ne debu ya yurim chna penhe ya Meghalaya House wa Dr. Ipija Abdul Kalam Road New Delhi. They were chna penhe iwa daule haki arbenta namo ki face hewa haka first face daw chna arpau sotali ki kamra de lang ke meeting hall he lud wa arpau arklur wa chna ye ni haka jo kathau wa ke Meghalaya House wa rim ka wada chna house nem khat khande nya pawi ha ithau wa he iwi point khande pa khande ekar. Konrad doongo wa Meghalaya House hadalhi to oman go ko ye uchakri yaki bru pajba kamju gi he gi han we de wa pynboon ki kamra daw ye wa pendap penbiang ye wa kam gi wa bon gi bru wala chadalhi na Meghalaya nei benta ki kam ki jam itho exam ile interview ipha sumar wa ki vide ki jaikam dapha aule ye he sarkar wa chna de wa miet baha ya kani ka kamra thame de wa prakhat ye wa kam ga juk wa kat ni.
And with all of these efforts we're very hopeful that we will be having a very, very good infrastructure out here with adequate facilities, modern facilities and proper service so that people when they come from Meghalaya to be here in Delhi, this should be always their first choice and we would not in the future have to look for any other space in any other facilities apart from the Meghalaya houses that we have in Delhi. So this is really what our objective is and I'm very happy today that we have been able to lay the foundation stone for this and I do urge the PWD department to ensure that the work is done in the best possible manner and most importantly by the best people so that this infrastructure comes out to be excellent as well as the construction is done on time.